Hey people, this is going to be a quick video. I'm going to show you how to fix this fault, this fact checker problem. And this is part of the fake news, and they're trying to hide
10 minutes. I wasn't sure
the
I was
real
going to get to
news.
this stage, but I can't help but say something about this whole coronavirus thing.
So if you're sharing stuff and it's getting fact checked and covered, or if you're sharing stuff that you think they might want to take down, go ahead and take your fact checkers off first. The way you do that is come over here and go down to your settings. Come over here to blocking, and then come over here and block and type in fact check and hit block. And I do this all the time, and there's these new ones are coming up all the time. And if you don't know these people, they're possibly following you. So just block them. You have to go by one. And it wouldn't let me block that one. It might have been that might have been one. I just messed up this video, and I put them back up to make sure I'd have one on there to show you how this worked. And so I have to wait 24 hours if I can block that one now. But just go on down the list and block them all. And once you get all the fact checkers, then take this K out and try it again. I'm gonna try that again. Yeah, see, I gotta wait 48 hours. I'd messed up the video, so I'd put that back up to make sure I'd have one to show you how to do this. But and go on up and take the C out and try it again. Just a fact. And if you don't know them, they're possibly following you and watching everything you put up. And when you got all them, go ahead and take it down to fact C. Anybody you don't know that's got the fact in their name, they're possibly fact checkers and possibly following you. Let's just block them all. And you probably have to check back every week. But I've done this several times and took out many of these fact checks. Possibly even put the take the space out of here. Fact check. And that'll give you better luck of keeping your stuff up longer and getting somebody else's stuff seen by somebody that you don't want to see it. All right, good day.